Think about Tikkurila and the year 2010. I think the biggest challenge for us is really to get back to track, so to get growth again, to get the business growing, and we are looking especially forward for the growth from the eastern countries, talking about Russia, the Baltics. So of course this year has been very challenging, and I'm really hoping and looking forward to get the normal conditions back next year. And of course for us also, being a listed company, what is important is always to be able to serve our customers better. So we are really looking forward to be able to implement and launch some new services to our customers, some tailor-made services, and of course also thinking about the industrial coatings business for our wood and metal business customers, to really be able to be the best supplier for them. And internally in Tikkurila, I think one of the most important and interesting tasks will be to integrate the company more, so to get one unified Tikkurila and to be able to benchmark and learn from each other in a better way. I think to be able to achieve these goals that I set to Tikkurila is we really have to think from customers' perspective, our products, and of course talking about growth. So I believe that growth will be different in different areas. So talking about the more mature markets like Finland, Scandinavia, it's more to be able to extend our service portfolio. So to deliver the best service, not only the best products to our customers. While in the eastern countries it might still be to be able to deliver the best paint products. So I think that has to be very proactive, and we have to be careful to select the right ways and means in different countries. Well, I think talking about the challenges, what could be the real challenge for the coming year is, of course, that the visibility is still very poor. So nobody really knows what's going to happen in 2010 and how the new building business will again grow, or will it grow. But of course for us, because renovation business is a big part of our business, we are hoping and anticipating that, for example, the measures taken by different governments in the mature markets will help a lot our renovation sales. But talking about challenges, I would really say that it's difficult to know what's going to happen, and we are still almost in the middle of a fog.